In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text all lowercase on Visme. Whether you're working on a presentation, an infographic, or just tidying up some document formatting, this skill can be incredibly useful. Doing this within Visme is a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through it step by step to ensure that by the end, you'll be a pro at adjusting text case on this platform. Let's dive in. First, you're going to want to open up your Visme project and go to the section where you have your text. Locate the text box that you'd like to edit. It's important to make sure you're selecting the correct text box, especially if you have multiple text areas within your project. Click on the text box to highlight it. You'll notice a border appears around the text, indicating that it's successfully selected and ready for editing. Next, look towards the text formatting toolbar at the top of your workspace. This is where all your text editing options live. In this toolbar, you'll see a variety of icons and options for adjusting the appearance of your text, from font size to color and more. For today, though, our focus is on how to change the case of your text. Here, you'll want to find and click on the More drop-down menu. This is often represented with a simple icon, or by the word More, depending on how expansive your toolbar appears on screen. This menu is a treasure trove of additional text formatting options that aren't displayed immediately on the main toolbar. After you click the More drop-down, a list of additional options will be revealed. Within this menu, you should see an option labeled Change Text Case. This is the functionality we're looking for. Go ahead and click on Change Text Case, which will then show you several case options, such as uppercase, title case, and of course, lowercase. For our objective today, click on the lowercase option. You should immediately see your selected text transform into all lowercase letters, reflecting the change you just made. This tool is extremely handy if you need to maintain uniformity across your document, or if you've imported text that didn't have the right case. And there you have it. Making text all lowercase in Visme is as simple as these few clicks. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. Always double-check your entire document to ensure that all sections of text have the desired case. Sometimes, initial text settings can vary, and consistency is key for a professional-looking project. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to try this on your own, and feel free to explore the other formatting options available in Visme. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing!